Welcome to HVAC Startup Technicians, and today we're checking a unit that is not working. I could come to this unit and I could look at the coil. It looks pretty dirty, so I would recommend that we clean the coil. Also, what we have here is we have a bad capacitor. I did a lot of videos on how to test a capacitor, and I want to show you another easy way. Is I'm using my field piece meter, and I could just turn this to microfarads, and I will go ahead and we're gonna test the leads. So we're gonna go from common to HOME, which is my compressor, and we have 0. And we could also go from common to the fan, and we also reading, let me show you, 0. So right here we know that we have a bad capacitor, because when I came here I also noticed that my contactor was also pulled in, but the fan was not running, so it was not getting power. So here we have a bad capacitor, so we're gonna go ahead, change that capacitor and get ready to roll. And this is one of the main problems we run into, especially in the summer times, bad capacitors. So once you have a unit is not running and the inside fan is going, you want to come out here and test your capacitor. I also have another video where I said how to test a capacitor under load. We know this is a 45.5 capacitor with 370 volts, and if you want to know the math for that, I have another video showing you what's the math, which is 2652 amps times 2652 divided by volts. Alright guys, take care. Thank you. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. See you next time. Hey guys, welcome back. Now that we have the unit running, we're gonna go ahead and just use some water and kind of clean the coil up, and then take our pressures, make sure everything is good. So we'll go ahead and turn that water on. And sometimes not every unit we use coil cleaner, so we will try to use water first, blast out some of the dirt. As you can see, some of the dirt is coming out pretty good. So on this side, and that could happen, it can affect the efficiency of the unit. If you're cutting grass and doing all that stuff, and you know all this dirt is coming into the unit, it will definitely block your airflow, because at these fins it pulls in the air. So you gotta make sure that's clean. So anyway, thank you guys. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.